Hold on to your beer steins, folks, because the future of brewing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. The same technology that's revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance is now making waves in the world of craft beer. That's right. AI is no longer just for self-driving cars and writing Shakespearean sonnets. It's crashing the craft beer scene in a big way. Imagine a world where your favorite brew is crafted not just by skilled brewers, but also by intelligent algorithms. Forget robots serving you pints at the pub. This is about AI getting its hands dirty in the brewing process itself, and the results are pretty darn tasty. From selecting the finest ingredients to optimizing brewing conditions, AI is involved in every step. We're talking about AI that can analyze massive amounts of data to create innovative new recipes, blending flavors in ways that were previously unimaginable. It can sift through historical brewing data, consumer preferences, and even weather patterns to craft the perfect pint. Predict the perfect fermentation time, ensuring that each batch reaches its peak flavor potential. No more guesswork, just consistently great beer every single time. And even personalize your pint based on your individual taste preferences. Imagine walking into a bar and having a beer that's been tailored just for you based on your past choices and flavor profile. It's enough to make your taste buds do the robot. The integration of AI in brewing is not just a novelty, it's a game changer that promises to elevate the entire beer drinking experience. So buckle up, beer lovers, because we're about to dive deep into the world of AI-powered brewing and explore how this technology is changing the game one delicious drop at a time. From small craft breweries to large-scale operations, AI is making its mark. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, people. It's happening right now. The future of brewing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Breweries big and small are turning to AI to enhance their brews, improve efficiency, and create a whole new level of personalization for beer enthusiasts like you and me. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for innovation is immense. So, get ready to raise a glass to the future of beer, because AI is about to turn the brewing world on its head. Cheers to a new era of brewing excellence. Now you might be wondering, what exactly can AI do in a brewery? The answer might surprise you. Well, imagine a brewmaster with a brain the size of the internet, able to remember every hop variety, yeast strain, and fermentation temperature ever recorded. This digital brewmaster can access a vast database of brewing knowledge at the blink of an eye. That's AI in a nutshell. It's like having a brewing encyclopedia that never forgets and is always up to date with the latest trends and techniques. AI can analyze mountains of data about ingredients